Mina ngiyabona ukuthi abantu bayaphila kodwa abayiqondi kahle and kubuhlungu ukungayiqondi ngoba uhlezi uquestion ukuthi ngabe wenza ngakhona yini and uzama nokukopela khona uzofitha in kodwa ube uzwa kahle ukuthi no man, this is not me. But ngoba nakho isociety ithi nakho kukwi-mainstream and now uzama ukufitha in, khululeka yazini uzofitha in and impilo yakho you are making it even worse by trying to fit in. Lalela la, angeke sonke size sifane, kwenziwe ngamabomu lokho ukuthi singafani and kunabantu abafuna ukuhlezi bexolisa ngokuthi ba different. You should be different. You know what? La sinama channels ahlukene kawu-3. Awe individual, awe collective, awe tribe. And when amune channel ye individual, oh go unto you ngalesi sikhathi. Ubingelelo changes akhasho ukuthi kungenzeka noma yini, noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ucabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli, uyabona. Ake ngufundise ngikufaka eklasini kancane. Izokufaka esikoleni. Yabona, okay, lokho engizokhuluma ngakho ngiqale ngikutshela ukuthi kumayelana ne-human design system or mechanics. Kunabantu la ngokwama-energies abo banama-individual channel. Uyabona uma ukuthi eshathini lakho une-individual channel, unama-individual gates. Lalela, ohlezi bekukhipha inyumbazana. Ohlezi bekukhipha inyumbazana kuba ngathi awufit in. And nalezi zinto abazenzayo uyohlezi uyicrusha. Uyohlezi ungafuni ukulimitwa ama-values nama-norms abo bona beyi-collective. Wena ufuna ukwenza ngeyakho indlela. And by so doing kuba ngazuthi wena different and abakufisi, abakuceli. And wena because wena you are a social being and you think wena kumele ukuthi ufane nabo ukuze ube accepted. No, that's not the case. Wena if you have individual lines uzobona izinto zikukhipha inyumbazana. Why is it keeping inyumbazana? You are here for an empowerment. Udinge ukuthi ube alone so that you will download stuffs from the universe and then you implement them. And once you implement them, you are crushing these collective values, you are changing the game, and people don't want change. Well, now we are bringing change. Eyintweni abakhule ngazo, eyintweni abavumelene ngazo beyi-collective, this is the thing. Because the collective is all about the collective values ekuvunyelwana ngawo. And when now you are an individual, those values you don't fit there. And then you come and crush them. We are here to mutate. Do you think they're going to like you? No, they are not going to like you. But what is great about that, when in your life you feel empowered, immutation takes time. Eventually, they're going to see what you are trying to do. Manje wena uzama ukufitha in. It's not going to happen. It's not going to happen. Yes, and it's not going to happen. Live your life. Ukuba individual kusho ukuba self-sufficient. Yes. Self-sufficient, you prioritize the individual goals more than collective goals. Uyazi ukuthi umuntu onama individual lines and channels, lo muntu loyo uthi do your own thing, I'm doing my own thing, and I don't want your things to limit me. I don't want your things to limit me. Le mthetho yenu nina ni collective, I don't want it to limit me. That's the way things are. Yabo? That's the way things are. And even khuluma nje uthola ukuthi une channel of inspiration, vela khulume into that will not go hand in hand with what most people in the collective agree upon. Yabo? Into ayisho is very, very different. He's here to mutate, to change the game. Why things should stay the same? Where now as an individual, where now God communicates with you. The universe communicates with you in a clear audience. You will hear the intuitive voices, like there is a voice that is within you. And then this voice is telling you, you are intuitive. It's telling you, now you wake up now, you know, but you don't have a proof. But you know, you can say this, I know this. What I'm talking about is like this, someone told me, I know this. This is not what they say. And we can do things different. You just know. And your knowing is individual, is not for the collective. And we are not going to be relevant. You're going to be left alone. And right now you are crying. By trying to fit in, you're derailing. You are not going to fulfill your cosmic purpose. You need to be alone. You are an individual. I'm telling you. Angisho uzophinda usabe. Bazothina obani ngakhuliswa kanjena, uzothina ubaba umfundisi, uzothina umama umfundisi, bazothina othisha bami, izothina i-collective. Izothina i-collective. You are here to change the game, Mos. Who to please? You or people? Who to please? Who to please? It's even worse if we have this. It's even worse if you have this channel. Maybe you are also having 57 on the other side. You have 34. Maybe you also have this 10 here. It's even worse. So integration le. This is an integration. It's even worse. Self-sufficient, self-absorbed. This one. It's either on 34-20 or 34-10 or 34-10 is for individual. It's either 34-20 or 34-57 or 57 this one or 57-10. Whichever la. Two integration la. Self-absorbed. Self-reliant. Self-sufficient. I want to be alone. Leave me alone. I can do it alone, on my own. I'm not part of you. I'm an individual. Selfishness. Enlightened selfishness. Self-empowerment. I have to empower myself. It's all about my survival first. This one. It's all about my survival. And do you think this person is going to see things the way you see them? Do you think this person will want to be part of you? Do you think you, as this person, do you think people are going to be like, the things you are saying is like, you say like, this is what we are doing, we are not supposed to do it anymore? It's like, different. We don't want to listen to that. There are people we are here for. We are not here for everyone. Was look as an individual. We are not here for everyone. There are people who like exactly that. Where now we are not here for everyone. Immutation, guys. Immutation. Ihamba. Law expand law. Law expand law. Law expand law. Law expand. And then we are mutating. Do you think when njoba see abantu sinje siphila kanje, see things this way, doing things this way, do you think back in the days God forgot you? No, just not like that. There were few people that way keep on like mutating and transforming step by step. Into emnandi ke ngokuphila individuality bakho ukuthi wena uba happy. When uba happy when you are at peace and things are moving, things are flowing. Now you know why I'm different. Kuba ngazuthi uyahlanya wena, ngathi wena uyahlanya wena, ngisho lento ye-culture uyayicrasha, into eziningi, into zesikole uyayicrasha, into ayifundisa abazali, ezamasonto uyayicrasha, into eziningi nje wena as a collective uyayicrasha nje wena, like you want to change the narrative. Obviously. So bangazuthi wena usangene wena, you are living in your own world. Yes, live in your own world. And this one may be someone who is very busy and is busy with own stuff and is not part of you. Busy and there's your weight when it business is weight. Sengisho ukuthi muna ma individual channels kwi chat lakho kwamkela ukuthi uzoba inkomo edla yodwa, kwamkela ukuthi ungeke ube relevant. Don't try to fit in.